At kaugnay pa rin ng mga naging pahayag ni Congressman Bong Suntay ukol kay Ann Curtis, muli siyang nagpaliwanag sa isang privilege speech.
The analogy might have been in bad taste and were taken in the wrong context. That was precisely the point that I wanted to make. That at times, statements are taken out of context. There was no malice intended. And if there was malice deduced from that statements, I wish to apologize dun sa mga natamaan at nasaktan. Humihingi ako ng pasensya sa mga kababaihan na na-offend. I hope I be judged not from one statement, but from the kind of person that I am